Welcome to TCI. We're very excited to be a part of the MagnaFlow Revolver chassis. Today we're going to take you through a cook's tour of what we do here at TCI. With the brake package they provided us for your chassis, they are 14-inch brakes with 6-piston calipers. That is a massive amount of brake. No matter what you do with it, it's going to stop. It's going to do whatever you want it to do. And MagnaFlow is going to have all the confidence in the world that it's going to do that. The rotor size dissipates the heat faster. It just makes the brakes more efficient, and that's what you want ultimately in braking. The chassis is a completely boxed rail. The factory rail was a channel, and it actually never had the boxing plate to make it rigid. The key thing when you're welding a chassis together is weld penetration, because you're going to grind those welds to smooth them out and make them look good. But one thing people worry about a box rail is cracking. Of course, if you don't do that correctly and it's not done right, then you won't have enough weld there to grind and make it smooth, and that's a very, very big concern for us. I believe that pickup is over 14 feet long, the frame rails are. So when you start going up a driveway and your wheelbase is 114 inches, and you're going to get that twist. And in order to get that out of there, you got to build a chassis that's sturdy and rigid. Also, the look of it, when you're done, you can run the exhaust through there. Everything's contained within the height of the chassis. The only thing that's hanging down is the running board brackets. The classic truck chassis that we're building for you right now was not even in existence 3 or 4 years ago. Well, I think they're ready for this chassis, and let's go out and build one.